How to clear search history on Facebook. So go ahead and open your Facebook application. Once you're in this homepage, what we need to do is click on the search icon on the upper right part of the screen. It's between the message and the plus icon. Once you tap on that, your search history list will show up. And to expand this, click on See All. In here, there will be three categories: the all, searches, and visits. Searches will be the words you entered on Facebook search, and the visit tab will show the profiles you visited. And basically, the all will be a combination of both. Now, if you want to delete a specific search term or profile here, just tap on the X icon beside that, and it will automatically be removed. Now, if you want to remove all searches, go to the Searches tab, click on Clear All, confirm on this window, and everything will be removed. You can do the same on the Profile Visits and the All tab. So that is how to clear search history on Facebook. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.